Which pure sine wave power inverter is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, BESTK 500W Inverter. First up is the BESTK 500W Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. Right off the bat, the sleek design and sturdy build caught my attention, especially at a price of $79.62. If you want reliable power for your sensitive electronics while on the road, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers 2 AC outlets and 4.2A dual USB charging ports, which means you can charge multiple devices at once without worrying about overheating. The 500W capacity is perfect for small appliances, think laptops or even a mini fridge. Plus, it features thermal protection sensors and a built-in fan to prevent overheating, so you can rest easy knowing your devices are safe. Now, some people complained about needing to connect it directly to the car battery for full power. As the cigarette lighter plug only supports around 150W, here's the thing though. If you're using it for light devices, this isn't a deal breaker. Just keep the wattage in check and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, reliable inverter for road trips or camping. Skip this one if you plan on running heavy-duty appliances. For the price, it delivers great value for what it offers. Now, if the wattage limitation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LANDRPOW 3000W Inverter. Next, let's talk about the LANDRPOW 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Priced at $252.82, it stands out with its incredible capability to deliver 3000W continuously and up to 6000W surge. If you want something that can power your entire RV or a small home during outages, this one's a serious contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes equipped with 3 AC outlets and multiple USB ports, making it an all-in-one solution for high-power devices like microwaves or power tools. With over 91% efficiency, it minimizes conversion loss, which means more power for your devices with less waste. The remote control feature is also a game changer. Monitor battery levels and output from a distance. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. If you're someone who needs a reliable source of power for emergencies or off-grid living, this inverter won't disappoint. This is perfect for you if you're frequently on the move in an RV or need backup power for home use. Skip this one if you're only looking for something to charge small devices. It's a worthwhile investment for the power it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for compact setups. Product number 3, BESTK 300W Inverter. Now let's take a look at the BESTK 300W Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. Coming in at just $58.14, it's designed for those who need reliable power without breaking the bank. If you want a compact solution for charging devices on the go, this is worth considering. Plus, the PD and QC USB ports allow for fast charging, 6 times faster than standard chargers. If you're on the road a lot, this feature will save you precious time. Now, some have mentioned that it can get warm with extended use. Here's the thing. While it's important to keep an eye on it, the built-in cooling fan helps manage heat effectively, so it shouldn't be a major concern unless you overload it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, lightweight inverter for your vehicle. Skip this one if you need to power larger devices. For its price, it's a solid choice. Now, if that warming issue concerns you, the next product might be a better fit. Product number 4, BESTK 300W Inverter Black. Next up is another variant from BESTK, the 300W Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter, priced at $53.08. At first glance, it looks almost identical to the previous one, but it packs a punch with some unique features. If you want a reliable inverter for light electronics, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Like its counterpart, it provides 300W continuous power and includes 2 USB ports for fast charging. This means you can charge your devices while powering something else, which is convenient for road trips or camping. The upgraded voltage compatibility makes it ideal for newer vehicles like Teslas, ensuring you're covered no matter what. Now, some users did find the cigarette lighter plug a bit tricky to fit snugly. Here's the thing though, as long as you ensure a solid connection, it works perfectly fine. It may take a little patience, but the performance is solid. This is perfect for you if you need a compact inverter for everyday use. Skip this one if you require heavy-duty outputs. For its price, it's an excellent choice. Now, if that plug issue bothered you, then the last product on this list might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, LANDRPOW 2000W Inverter. Lastly, let's consider the LANDRPOW 2000-watt pure sine wave inverter, priced at $202.26. This is a powerhouse designed for those who need serious power. If you want an inverter that can handle bigger appliances and tools, this might be your best bet. Its smart LED screen and remote control also make monitoring your power usage a breeze, allowing you to manage your energy effectively. Now, some users have noted that it's a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing, the durability and safety features justify the weight, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions, whether you're on a job site or in an RV. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a reliable power source for RVs or off-grid living. Skip this one if you only need to run small devices. It's a solid investment for those who need that extra power. So to wrap up, we've looked at the BESTK 500W for compact needs, the LANDRPOW 3000W for heavy-duty power, the affordable BESTK 300W for everyday use, another reliable BESTK 300W variant for newer vehicles, and finally, the LANDRPOW 2000W for serious power requirements. Each has its strengths depending on what you need, so choose wisely.